What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to recreate this look here, perfect for Halloween, and it's actually super easy to recreate. So let's get started. I'm first going to start creating the shapes around my eye, so the exaggerated triangle type shape. And for that, I'm going to use my favorite face paint. This is the Paradise Water Activated Face Paint. I'll link everything down below per usual in the description box, along with any discount codes available, so be sure to check those out. So again, I'm just using these to create the exaggerated triangle line shapes around my eyes and the nose. Then right over top, I'm going to use a white glitter and a black and silver glitter. I use a mix between loose glitter and lash glue to get it to stick, and glitter liquid eyeliner. You have a bunch of options out there that you can use, but any type of glitter will be just fine. Next, I apply my mascara and false lashes. For one eye, I used regular falsies. Then on the other, I actually used a temporary white colored hairspray to spray over top black lashes because I didn't have white lashes. If you do the same technique, just be sure you allow yourself enough time for the lash to dry before applying to your eye. Using those same black and white paints, I'm going to fill in my lips, one side with the black and the other side with the white, and I do bring this out a little bit more exaggerated on the corners to give it more of that like grimace clown style look. Then using a long wearing eye pencil, these recently became a new favorite of mine, I'm going to apply these right on the waterline, corner to corner, one side with the black and the other side with the white. A super easy way to get the splatter type effect is using an old toothbrush. Taking the water activated paints, this time mixing in a little bit more water than you normally would, really coat up your toothbrush, and then using your finger, just slowly peel the bristles backwards and let it fly. You can do this in layers, so apply this as many times as you'd like until you get the look that you're going for. Finishing up, to really pull this look together, I applied some colored contact lenses. I do have the link for that as well as my discount code down below for you guys, so be sure to order those as soon as possible so they're here in time for your Halloween costume. Then I put on a wig. I actually used two wigs. I put a plain black one and then this kind of like ombre white one on over top to get the more black and white end result. So that's everything for today's look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions, be sure to check out the description box. I would love to know what look you want to see me do next, so be sure to comment that down below as well. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, supporting my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.